In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tracked inventory in Xero. If you sell physical products and want Xero to manage stock on hand, average cost, and the flow of costs into cost of goods sold, tracked inventory is the way to go. I'll walk you through creating a new item, turning on tracking, and setting the right accounts and tax rates so your reports stay accurate. Start by opening Xero and heading to the sales area. From there, choose products and services. This is your central list of everything you buy or sell. Click New Item to create a fresh product. Give your item a short, unique code. Think of this like a SKU you can quickly search. Then enter a clear, customer-friendly name that appears on invoices and quotes. Now, turn on Track Inventory Item. This is the switch that tells Xero to maintain quantities on hand and calculate average cost automatically. With tracking enabled, fill in the cost price. Use your typical purchase cost before tax so margins calculate correctly. Next, select your cost of goods sold account. If you have more than one COGS account, pick the one tied to this product line. Confirm the cost of goods sold option so expenses post to the right place. Set the purchase tax rate to GST on expenses, if that's what applies in your region. If you operate in a different tax jurisdiction, choose the equivalent purchase tax rate your accountant recommends to keep compliance tight. Enter your sale price, again before tax. Choose your sales account. Most businesses use a standard sales or revenue account, but if you track income by product category, select the most relevant one here. For the sales tax rate, choose GST on income if that's the applicable setting for your sales. As before, adjust to the correct local sales tax if needed. Add a helpful description. This appears on invoices and quotes, so include details that reduce customer questions: model, size, color, or key specs. When everything looks right, click Save. That's it. Your tracked item now lives in products and services, and as you record purchases and sales, Xero will update quantities on hand and calculate COGS using average cost. A quick tip: make sure you have permission to access inventory features and align your accounts and tax rates with your chart of accounts and local rules. If you're starting with existing stock, consult your accountant on the best way to bring in opening quantities and values so your balances are accurate from day one.